Today we're going to be working on the 2015 Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive with a tech pack. So this is the cabin filter. That's the part number. This is actually where you need to get access to. So if you can see that latch, that one right there, that's the one you got to open and take out the filter. It's a pretty hard process, so you actually gotta squeeze and maneuver around your seat. This lower space, kind of gotta take your gotta take those mats out and kind of crawl your way in here so you can see this. So this is the latch. That's the latch I gotta open. Okay, so we're gonna try our best. Okay, so pop the latch, you gotta press up and it comes down. Okay, now we gotta look for the filter.